Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician.
We have this Nissan Quest.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
We got a missing engines missing. Okay, this is 2007 Nissan Quest. Okay, let's check the codes. It's a random misfire detected. So we have a misfiring. What's wrong with it? Okay. Let's check the freeze frame. When the fail happens, it was hot, fuel trim, engine speed 640 RPMs, vehicle speed 0, it was parked. Okay, random cylinder misfire, so we don't know which one is not working. Okay, let's check the data. Okay, data. Let's see if this vehicle shows the misfiring. Accessories, it doesn't show anything like that. Let's see. Let's go to engine data. Okay, we have this one wrong. Okay, we need to find the cylinders, but it doesn't show anything here. Okay, let's go to data, engine data 2. Okay, nothing here. Let's go to engine data 3. cooling fan.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the
We
hot
don't
days of
have
summer.
anything
Get your preventative maintenance now
that
and
shows
save
me
money
which
tomorrow.
cylinder
All types of
it's
maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck, air conditioning, heating,
it's not
tune-ups,
working.
brakes, transmission, cooling systems,
Okay.
fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto
To
Technician,
sensors,
413
lean,
Highway
lean,
100
lean,
in
lean,
Laguna
lean.
Heights.
Okay. Right here we're showing these O2 sensors lean. See, the cause of the fire of the misfiring could be because it's low on pressure, and gasoline pressure, because maybe the gas filter or the fuel filter is clogged. That could be one of the causes. And check, we got pulse on the injector pulse. Bank 1 and bank 2 we got pulse. This one it's, see, this one it's working, but not this one. Right there. Injector pulse bank 1, bank 2. Yeah, it's moving, but it wasn't moving before. Okay, let's check. Okay, nothing here. Okay, let's see, power balance, ECU, clear, self-learn, target, ignition, timing adjust, troubleshooter. Okay, let's go to actuator test, see what they shows. Coolant, temperature sensor, engine, fuel injection, fuel pump relay, inject. Okay, we're gonna see right here we got the injectors. We're going to disable each injector and see what's going to show. Okay, let's disable cylinder 1. Okay. Yes. That cylinder, it's working. See how the camera starts shaking. Okay, let's go to the next one right there. We're checking the misfiring. Okay, we don't have access to the 3 coils on the back, so we need to find another way to check the cylinders, which one it's missing, which one no. See, yes, that one is not working. See, that one, it doesn't shakes. See, so I'm gonna take note. Cylinder 1, yes, work. Cylinder 2, no, or the injector. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the third, right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
yes.
cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel
That
Auto
one
will
is
fix it or replace
working.
it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel
Okay,
Auto
let's go
Technician,
back.
413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
The third, it's working. Okay, let's check the fourth. Okay, that one is working. Fourth, it's working. Let's adjust. Okay, let's check the number 5. Let's put this one. Okay, let's go back. Check this one. We're disabling the injectors right now. See, so we know some injectors are working and the number 2, they're not working. Take a note. I'm taking a note. Okay, let's go with the number 5. Yep, it's missing. It's good. It's not missing. That one's good. Okay, let's go back. Let's put a yes. It's working. Yes. Okay. Let's check the number 6. Yes. That one is working too. So we have the number 2 that it's not working. Cylinder number 2. So we need to check if it's the coil or if it's the injector. Okay, let's go back to the injector 2 and check it again. Injector 2, disable it. Let's disable. Okay, let's put it. Yes. See, I don't know if you can see on your on your screen. It starts shaking, and this one no, this number 2. So we have a maybe bad coil or bad injector, because right now we're disabling in number 2 all of them, and the number 2 is the one that is it's not working. Okay, so we know right now the cylinder number 2, it's not working fine. See, let me turn it off. The first thing we need to do right here is we need to find which one is the number 2 cylinder. I hope it's not there on the back, because it's gonna be a little bit of trouble. Let me find out where's the cylinder, and if it's one of these, we're gonna switch the coils. See, and if it's over there, that's gonna be a little bit of trouble, because I need to remove the plenum. Okay, check the diagram, and the number 2 is right here. So we're gonna switch this one to this side. See, let's switch them. And we're gonna remove the spark plugs too, because maybe the spark plugs, they are bad, and if they are bad, we need to replace them. Let me remove the coils first. I'm gonna remove this coil first, and I'm gonna remove the spark plug on this one, because this car,
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna
they
Heights
never
reminds
give
you to be ready
maintenance.
for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now
Could
and
be
save
the
money
spark
tomorrow.
plug
All types of maintenance repairs for your auto
that
and
went bad.
air conditioning, heating,
See, we
tune-ups,
check the
brakes,
coil, and the
ignition,
coil
cooling
looks
systems, fan belts, ball
good.
joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto
There's
can
no
fix it
burn
or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics.
or something
Gabriel Auto Technician,
like
413 Highway 100.
crack.
Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto
There's nothing.
Technician,
So I'm gonna put this
413
one right
Highway
here.
100 in Laguna Heights.
Don't get it mixed with this one. And I'm gonna check the spark plug, because this one on the scanner, it says random misfire, not specifically like number 2, but when I check the injectors, it says like injector, well, it not says, but it feels like the injector number 2 is not, or the cylinder number 2 could be the injector, or could be the coil or the spark plug, or the driver of the coil, or the driver of the injector driver, or coil driver. We have a good looking spark plug. Doesn't look too bad, but it looks like it's not firing. See, it looks like it's not firing. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna remove the other coil right here, and I'm gonna remove this spark plug right here. I'm not gonna change spark plugs. I'm gonna use the same spark plug on the same cylinder. Okay. So let me put this one right here already. So we don't mix spark plugs or coil and mark it right here. Let's put this spark plug back in place. We're starting checking this when if these coils are, or this coil at bad, the number 2, when we switch it, we're gonna check again on the scanner. If that coil is not working, well, we find the bad coil. If not, we need to check drivers right here, ground, signal, and the driver, and the same on this cylinder. See? So let's continue and put this spark plug back on it inside the cylinder number 4. Open. Okay. Okay. Remember, this is the coil from the number 2. Okay. Let's put the bolt. Right there. Like this one. Right there. Now let's connect the coils. And let's do the test in there. Disable the injectors. If right now the missing, it's on this one, we got a bad coil. If the missing still on this one, it could be the injector or the driver, the wire or something. Sometimes the rats, the animals, bites the wires, so we need to check wiring. But right now we're checking the basic things. Now we'll check this connector. It's alright. So now let's check on the scanner if the missing changes position. If the missing changes to this cylinder, we got a bad coil. See, if not, we got a bad
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds
or
you to be ready for
before
the
we
hot days
remove
of
the
summer.
injector, we're going to check
Maintenance now
the
and save money
drivers
tomorrow. All types of
on the
maintenance from
injector and on the
auto,
coil.
air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission.
let's go in
cooling
there.
systems, fan belts, ball joints. It's on the
Check.
car. Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Right here.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
I am in
413
here.
Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Right there. Let's start the engine. Okay. Let's continue. Right here. Cylinder 1, let's disable it. Alright, let's disable, yes. We got a missing. Okay, let's go back. Let's check the number 2, the one it's missing, or it shows was missing. Let's see if it's missing right now. We need to replace that coil. Let's go. Wait a little bit right there. Okay, let's disable it. Yes, we got a missing right there, so we got a bad coil. Let's go to the 3. Let's go to the 3 right there. Okay, let's disable it. Yes, right there we have a little missing, so we have a weak coil. See, remember we changed it, we got a weak coil, so we need to replace that coil. Okay, so we're gonna order. Let's check the number 4. All right. Yes. We got a missing. Okay. Let's check the coil. Okay, we know now that the coil is bad. Let's check the spark. Okay, this is the coil that is bad. This one was right here. We disabled this injector and it starts missing, but we're gonna check the spark on this coil. And on these other 2 coils to check. See? Let's pull it out. Let's connect our tester. Right there. Okay, let's see. This is the weak coil. Let's see the spark. got no spark. See? No spark. Let's check the other ones.
Auto technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of
This is
summer.
the bad coil, remember?
Maintenance now and save money tomorrow.
Change it.
All types of maintenance from
We
perishable
switch it.
air conditioning, heating,
This one.
tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems,
Let's
fan
remove
belts,
this.
ball joints. If it's on the car,
Check
get
the
real
spark.
auto to fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized
This one,
diagnostics.
barely.
Auto technician, 413 Highway
Little
100,
bit.
Laguna Heights. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna.
Okay. Let's connect this wire to the spark plug. Always use a tester like this, because if you use like a screwdriver or something, you can damage your computer or your coil, but basically your computer. Now let's check. Right there. Did you see the spark? This one's working. Okay. I'm doing this other test just to make sure it's the coil, but we know it because of the scanner, the test we did on the scanner. But the test we did in the scanner, it could be the injector, or it could be this one of these coils. Let me check this other one. This test is just to make sure it's the coil that it's bad. If all the coils show they are good, we need to check the drivers for the injector and for the coils, and we need to make a compression test on the head, this head, because this one is the one that's missing, and we don't know if this cylinder was low on compression, but we know already it's the coil. But another steps, if all the coils there are good, we need to do the compression test. Okay. Alright, we got spark right there. See? Okay. So now we're sure this coil is bad. See, this one. Let me turn the engine off, and that's it. So now we know what's wrong. We're gonna get the coil tomorrow, and I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you the car should be running smooth. So I recommend all the time use one of this kind, one tester like, again, one tester like this. See, don't use the screwdriver, don't use the other like some people use as spark plug. I recommend not to, because today's cars, they are too sensitive. Computers, you can burn the computer driver, and you need to put the computer, you need to pay for it, because you're the mechanic. You need to be careful with all the things you do on the car. Because if the car, while you're testing something, you burn something or you break something, well, I don't think, well, I'm gonna leave this one loose because I'm going to remove it. Well, I'm gonna switch it because this one switch belongs to this. I'm gonna put it like on this one. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put that thumb up. See, don't be afraid to subscribe. You can save some money on the way, some money. So I'm gonna put this bolt right here, because tomorrow I'm gonna put the cover. And that's it. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, and bye bye. Okay, we have the other coil. This is the one that's no good. Remember, we switch it. I'm gonna put the one that goes right there is this one. I'm gonna put it
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for
right
the hot days of
where
summer.
we
Get your
took it off.
maintenance now and save money
We
tomorrow.
check the
Types of maintenance from
spark
air
plugs.
conditioning, heating,
Spark
tune-ups,
plugs look
brakes,
good.
transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel
it
Auto
doesn't need
Technician
to
will replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto
new spark
Technician,
plugs.
413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel
Okay.
Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Now let's put the new one. See, we got the new coil. I'm gonna put this is the number, because people ask me for number sometimes. See, this is from AutoZone, and that's the number for the coil. So let's put this bolt and connect. Connect the coils, the connector coils. Okay, we got it on. Now let's start the engine. The engine should be smooth right now. Before we start the engine, let's erase the codes. Sometimes the computer keeps that on the memory, and until the computer, or you cycle the switch several times, it relearn. So we need to remove the codes from the memory, from the computer memory. Let's turn the key on. And let's clear the memory. Let's go to previous vehicles right here. We were working yesterday, last night. On this one, let's continue. Okay, let's clear codes right here. Clear codes, yes. All right, we got the codes cleared. Let's continue. We don't have any other codes or any other memory to erase. Self-learn. Okay, continue. Okay. All right. Got the codes cleared. Engine is not missing anymore. As you can see, it's not shaking. So we got it fixed. We got another car fixed. We checked all the circuits, well, not the circuits, but the basic things, and we detect the number 2 ignition coil was failing. We double check with the tester and we fix it. So right now, let me see what I need to clear right here. Okay, it's clear. Everything working fine. No more codes. No codes present, so we're good. We fix another car, another video. I have maybe hundreds of videos I need to upload to YouTube, so you know what to do if you got the specific car. I'm working on it, like this one, that Nissan Quest 2007. And you can apply these things I did on this car to check the misfire. You can apply that knowledge to another car. It's the same principle. So one thing, put the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if it's useful, if this video is useful for you, well, pass it to another people, to more people, so more people know. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay?
Tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan
Bye.
ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna.